Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Android TV remote not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your Android TV remote isn't working, I've got a list of fixes we can try, starting with the simple ones and working way up to the more advanced solutions. So, fix number one is check or replace the batteries inside the remote. This sounds very basic, I know, but it is the number one cause. So, replace with fresh new batteries. Cheap ones or weak ones may not give enough power. Fix number two is to reboot the TV. So, unplug your Android TV from the power outlet, wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can reset Bluetooth or IR receivers that have glitched out. Fix number three, check if it's IR or Bluetooth. So IR remotes, basic ones, use your phone camera to see if the remote sends a signal. Bluetooth remotes, like with Google TV or some Sony Hisense models, try repairing it. Repair a Bluetooth remote, fix number four. So if it's a smart Bluetooth remote like Google TV, Nvidia Shield or Sony's TVs, what we need to do is hold down the home plus back or home plus pairing buttons until the LED starts blinking. The TV should show a pairing prompt. Use another remote, USB keyboard, or the Android TV app on your phone to finish pairing if needed. If it doesn't pair, try removing the batteries, waiting 10 seconds, then try again. Fix number five, use the Android TV app. This is a temporary fix, so download the Android TV remote control app from the Google Play or App Store. Connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This lets you control the TV temporarily while fixing the physical remote. Number six, clear the TV's Bluetooth cache if it's a Bluetooth remote. So if pairing keeps failing, go to Settings, Apps, Show System Apps, find Bluetooth or Bluetooth Services, select Clear Cache and Clear Data, reboot the TV and try pairing again. Fix number seven is factory reset the TV remote. This is if it's supported. So some Android remotes have a factory reset combo. So hold back plus home for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks. Then check your remote model for exact steps. Step number 8 here. Update TV firmware. So use the Android TV app to go to settings, about, system update. Sometimes buggy firmware breaks remote functionality. Fix number 9, check for physical damage. So has the remote been dropped or in water, or has it been damaged by dropping it? Try best pressing all buttons. If some are stuck, clean it gently with a cloth or compressed air. Fix number 10, which is your last resort, replace the TV remote. So if the remote still doesn't work after all this, it may be dead.